What is Google Family Link?
Google Family Link is a free app designed to help parents supervise and guide their children's digital habits. With Family Link, you can manage screen time, approve or block apps, and monitor activity across Android and Chrome devices. It's an effective way to encourage healthy online habits and ensure your child's safety in the digital world.
Preparing for setup.
Before you start, make sure you have your own Google account and a compatible device for your child, such as an Android phone, tablet, or a Chromebook. Both devices need internet access. Download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Ensure your child's device is factory reset or new, as Family Link is easiest to set up on a fresh device.
Creating an account for your child.
Open the Family Link app and follow the prompts to create a Google account for your child. Enter your child's information, such as name and age. Family Link will ask you to provide parental consent, usually by confirming your own Google account details. This process links your child's account under your supervision and sets up parental controls.
Linking and setting up devices.
Once the child's account is created, log into their device using the new account. Open Family Link on your device to connect and supervise the child's profile. Follow the guided instructions on screen, which include linking the two accounts. You'll now be able to manage settings, set screen time, filter content, and view app usage remotely.
Managing and monitoring with Family Link.
Through the Family Link app, you can set daily screen time limits, approve or block apps from the Google Play Store, and receive activity reports. Location tracking helps you check your child's device location. Regularly review settings to match your family's needs, and use Family Link as a tool to teach your child about responsible technology use.